Time to talk business thanks to our partners Forsyth Barr. We've had three big local players post half-year results in the last half hour. Garth Bray, host of Herald NOW Business, is across it. Garth, starting with Contact Energy, a trading halt this morning.
Yeah, because they've just announced, or confirmed rather, reports that were popping up from across the Tasman last night that they are talking to fund managers about a $525 million equity raise, mostly through a sort of a large placement there. And they want to look basically at bringing into being their plans that they announced end of last year around new generation, mostly I think battery and wind and some solar and a bit of geothermal as well. So there's basically forward planning for about 1.65 terawatt hours of electricity, which is about half the committed new demand that's supposed to be coming out of the economy in the next few years, and perhaps a third of what could happen. So they're looking at basically taking a lead in battery as a main thing. They've got a project near Glenbrook where they want to try and locate a lot of batteries power storage quite close to Auckland, and particularly the industrial part of the southern part of Auckland, so that there's a bit of security of supply there. So that's a big deal. Obviously put the trading halt on because now that information's out there. But otherwise a pretty good result for them. 209 million, I think the net profit was up. That's a big jump up on the comparable period in the first half of last year, but that's largely because they acquired Manawa Energy, which has a lot of hydro, and that sort of juiced that result a little bit. And of course, coming off the back of 2024, the gas catastrophe, when things were bad, they took some losses, I think, on having to sell stuff at different prices to Methanex. So quite a big turnaround, but it'd be interesting to see what people make of that capital raise, because there was talk that Genesis was maybe going to place one, so they seem to have been first out of the block saying, show us the money, show us the
money, we'll give you some equity.
Yeah.
Freightways, bit of a bellwether for the economy, usually their result. What have they said?
They've done well as well, so the group revenue increased 8.5%, and their net profit is up 17.2% to 52 million. So they are basically just seeing revenue growth in their express and business mail, which is a good sign that stuff is moving around the network and so on. So I guess that's a strong result for them. They've successfully completed an acquisition over in Australia as well. So that's
great. And we have about 2 seconds, Garth. A2 Milk.
Good news. Yep, up. Good numbers. Good numbers.
Fantastic.
For English label.
Garth, good to see you as always. Garth Bray, host of Herald NOW Business. That's thanks to our partners Forsyth Barr.